Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your TikTok video without posting it, to be able to save it as a draft so you can publish it later on. Very easy, very simple. Okay guys, let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower center of the screen. Let's create a brand new post. Now let's select something that we're gonna publish. I'm gonna publish this one over here. When we are ready with editing, on the small settings on the right side, as you can see, plenty of options. You can create the editing and the posting as usual, nothing special over here. You can click next. Essentially, you want to make sure that your post is absolutely ready to be published, okay? Because once when you save it as a draft, you're not going to be able to edit it. Our idea over here is to create a fully ready post that we're going to save as a draft, and then we're going to come back and publish it later on. So this means that the post has to be ready. Don't forget to include all the titles, the metadata, the hashtags, the description, the location, right? Everything. The main difference is that when you scroll all the way to the bottom, instead of clicking post, you're going to click the left button, which is drafts. Now, when we go back to our profile and you refresh the profile, you will see that we're going to have this draft over here on the top left side. When you click on it, you will have two options. Let's say you really want to publish it, right? How are you going to proceed publishing the actual draft? All you gotta do is to click on it, then press next, and then you press post, and that's it. It's very easy, 2 clicks away. But what if you decided to delete the draft? What if you change your mind? You don't like the post anymore? Well, also very simple. You gotta click on the select, which is on the top right corner. Then you have to click on the video. Then you click on the lower center of the screen and you click delete. Boom! Our draft has just been deleted. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.